Hey YouTube, what's happening? Chris here. Promised you all a broadening bottoms chart pattern tutorial, and that's what we're going to do today. My wife, she got me the Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns by Thomas Bulkowski. Guys, it's about 1,000 pages, and it digs so deep into all the percentages on each one of these chart patterns, how they perform in bull markets, bear markets, surprising findings, percentage meeting price targets, throwbacks, volume trend. I mean, just so many different things. Probably have about 20 pages or so on each chart pattern. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to simplify it, and I'm just going to give you the main things that you need to know for this pattern. Then you can dig in deeper to it yourself. But I wanted to bring this to you because I think it's an important one. He says it's a middle-of-the-road performer, so it is one that you want to keep on your radar, keep it in your toolbox best you can. But this is the Broadening Bottoms. This is by Thomas Bulkowski, the stuff I'm going to be reading out of here, and this is the Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns. You all need to look it up. So what you're going to have here with this broadening bottom, so you're going to be in a downtrend, and you see how in this chart pattern here we're in a nice downtrend. And what you're having is you're bouncing, and what you're setting are lower lows that are coming down. You can see this trend line, these lower lows, but you're having higher highs that are taking place. So after each reaction, you know, you're moving up here, there's some chop in the middle, we went up, and then look at the range all the way back down, all the way back up to a higher high, and then all the way back down. And they say when to buy this is basically once you break out of this trend line right here. So that would give you this part of the move as profit. And then you'd see that double top there and you'd get the heck out of there. But, you know, a lot of guys, me included, we'd want to be trading this up and down because, I mean, look from this high to down here. These are big percentages, guys. And you want to be aware of this pattern because if you start seeing this pattern forming, then you can kind of, you know, put the odds in your favor and predict and start to have some clues of, hey, maybe this is at the top here going to start rolling back over. And that's the time to get into a short. Or down here, you know, we may go up for our fifth touch here, and we're going to go long down in here. So it's important to be able to play both sides of the market. But what this book says, broadening bottoms, appearance, price trend is downward leading to the formation, megaphone appearance with higher highs and lower lows that widen over time. Breakout is typically upward. So that's what you're seeing, the higher highs and the lower lows. And you see this megaphone, guys? It basically looks like a cheerleader's megaphone. Just think about that. So when you start seeing that with these trend lines, then be aware that this could be that broadening bottom pattern. It says reversal or continuation short term. It is a short term bullish reversal. In a bull market, it ranks 17 out of 23. The break-even failure rate is 10%. The average rise of this is 27%. Change after trend ends minus 34%, and the volume trend while this is taking place is upward. Throwbacks are 41%, and percentage meeting price targets are 59%. And the surprising findings that he said here, throwbacks hurt performance. Tall patterns perform better than short ones. Narrow ones perform better than wide ones. Patterns with falling volume and a random shape outperform. And then a broadening bottom formation, specifically a 5-point reversal, so-called because of the 2 minor lows, the even numbers, and 3 minor highs. And you can kind of see this. This one I think has 4 guys, but they're talking about these highs here, and then this touch here, and then this touch here for the 2. Because typically you'll have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this pattern. And it says broadening bottoms are middle-of-the-road performers sporting a 9% break-even failure rate, except in bull markets when double digits prevail. And guys, I'm not going to get into it because I just want to give you a brief tutorial, but this actually goes into the bear market, all the percentages, those type of things. So really educate yourself, dig into this pattern. This is the broadening bottom pattern, and this is a bullish reversal pattern, but you also want to be cautious because it is that middle-of-the-road performer. Alright, so if you guys like these videos, you want me to continue to do them, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, notification bell, all that, and I'll continue to do my best for you. God bless each and every one of you. Take care.